Are you looking to save the multiples attachments from emails? No worries, SysTools Outlook Attachments Extractor is saved your time. Let's check out the main features. Facility to extract or download attachments from PST, OST, MSG, OLM, and all K files. Option to extract inline images and inline attachments from Outlook. Capable to extract attachments from configured Outlook profile. Provide 4 options to maintain the original folder hierarchy. Let's start the video. Go to Google and enter SysTools Outlook Attachment Extractor. Click on the link shown on your screen. Now click on the download button. Then install and run the video. This is an interface of the software. Here tool provides you the 5 options to import your file, auto-locate MS Outlook default storage location, browse MS Outlook data, PST and OST files, browse MS Outlook messages, MSG files, browse Mac Outlook archive OLM files, and browse Mac database OLK files. Here I am selecting browse MS Outlook data, PST and OST file. Then click on the next button. Here, you also get some options to import your data here, such as add file. Use this option when you need to add a single file or multiple files. Add folder, to import the complete folder. Search file, you can search the file in a specified drive. Remove, to remove the single or multiples file. Remove all, to remove complete imported data. Moving forward with add file button. And selecting the file. And click open to import in the tool. Now below down there is 4 options to maintain the folder hierarchy. First one, maintain folder hierarchy. No folder hierarchy. Create a single folder only and create a folder for each file type. Choose any options which are best suited for you. Then click on the next button to move forward. Select the folder from where you want to save extract attachments. Then click on the change button to save the destination. Click on the next button to move forward. Now you reach the filter section. Select the items type. Then, in apply filters. On the click on add button, you will able to apply the data filter with start date and end date field. Move down. Choose file size option according to your file size and choose the file type to extract the item from with a PDF with their extensions. In naming convention, extract your file with drop-down naming suggestions. In create a folder for attachments using the naming convention. Extract data with the drop-down naming suggestion. Then click on the extract button. Here your data start exporting. With pop-up, tool alerts you that attachments extracted successfully. Then hit OK. Here is your file destination link. Click on the link. This will directly drop you the location. This tool creates a CSV report of data. This CSV report contains all the details like how many attachments extracted and fails. Here are the results.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.